applying to graduate school today, and I'm currently at Nazareth, my undergrad college. Since I'm an alumni, I'm able to use the computer lab and Photoshop. So I'm here today editing my portfolio photos, and then afterwards I'll be able to submit. Shout out to Naz. This is the school. Cool.
Cool.
I'm going to grad school, dude. This past weekend, my mom and I spent 6 hours cleaning out her basement and creating a space in her basement where we're going to build a painting storage unit for all of my paintings I'm hanging on to and not bringing with me. I'm just cleaning up and I'm nostalgic about it. And I just realized I started doing 3 things at once. This is really cool. I was featured in a magazine last year for the Next Generation Life in the Finger Lakes magazine. The Next Generation Young Artists in the Finger Lakes. I'm like looking for it, but I ripped it out. Here it is. I ripped it out and I hung it on my studio wall in my last studio. There it is. That's what I was featured in a magazine. Very cool and very, very crazy. I'm gonna leave my painting section kind of intact into the last day. I want to create, I have the option to. It's March 9th, in the studio again, cleaning up, packing up. Just feels so odd because I'm leaving such a sacred place behind in order to grow and put myself outside of my comfort zone. I'm emotional about it because the studio is all I've ever dreamed of, and to have one on my own, it took a lot to get here, and it only lasted like 8 months. But I'm leaving for good reason. I'm leaving for such a good reason. Growing my soul, that's what I'm doing. It's exciting. But I have all this spray paint behind me, so I think I'm gonna test them all and then put them into this box. That's my mama. So sick. Wow. Shout out to my mom and to my stepdad Frankie for building the archive in the basement. Wow, that's crazy. I came in originally to paint, but then I started packing and going through stuff. So I think a good goal for me is to condense all of my stained glass station today and wrap up my stained glass art. And then put aside some time today so I can paint. Now stained glass is officially put away. And all that jazz. Yeah, I'm just like feeling good. Feeling very good, feeling very productive. It's so dusty in here. You can see where I had things on the table. Oh my god. This has been covered since day one. But there you go. Today's the day. Moving out today, it's the 31st of March. Officially moving out of Rochester, out of the studio, out of the apartment, and we're on the way to Maine. I woke up extra early today so I can probably get like a half an hour, 45 minutes painting time in. I know I probably won't have the opportunity to paint for a couple days, so I made it a point to come in here early, clean up, and now I'm going to paint just to release some energy and hold me over. End of Studio 334 in the Hungerford building. Short, but well-lived, necessary, thankful, and grateful. I guess we'll see what happens next. What's gonna happen? I just don't know.